My dear brothers and sisters, today the church also celebrates the feast of Blessed Miguel Pro, a martyr in Mexico. In the year 1927, the state of Mexico had banned public religious services. And it was at this time Father Miguel, a Jesuit, went about proclaiming the Word of God and having religious services for the people. He was imprisoned, asked to denounce his faith, and when he refused, he had to face a firing squad. He was made to stand with the gunsmen ready to shoot him down. At this moment, he stretched out his hands like a crucified Lord and shouted, "Viva Christo Rey! Long live Christ the King." And with that, he gave off his life. My dear friends, in any sports event, what is important is perseverance right till the end. And that is what is tested in every sports event. The perseverance right to the end. Never give up. And so, when we look at the defense, the military services and all, and we look at their training, we see all of them go to a very rigorous training to see who will endure in the end, who will stand till the end. And those who stand till the end are the ones who are taken in on the job. And so the important thing is who will stand till the end. And every effort is made to break the person so that the person gives up. But the one who stands till the end is the winner. And that is in every aspect of life. Endurance is important. And Jesus, when he's speaking to his disciples in the reading of today, we've heard him telling each one of them what is the cost of his discipleship. You will go through difficult moments. Your own people will turn against you. What is important is, are you willing to stand? And stand straight even in the midst of all that. Endurance. And so, the end line, but your endurance will gain your lives. You will win because of your endurance. Do not give up. And that is the message of today. And the saint of today, the martyrdom, is a proof of this. At this Eucharist, we ask the Lord to give each one of us the strength and the grace to rise above our limitations, the hurdles in life, the difficulties that life throws ahead of us, that each one of us may have the grace to endure and to overcome all the obstacles, the hurdles, and to emerge victorious.